Hello viewers, welcome back to Troubleshooters. Today we'll learn how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. It's a quick and easy solution if your physical keyboard isn't working or you need an alternative. So, without further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu icon and then select the Settings icon. Step 2. In the Settings window, navigate to the Accessibility tab on the left panel. Step 3. Scroll down to the Interactions section and click on Keyboard to expand it. Step 4. Toggle the switch next to On-Screen Keyboard to turn it on. And there you have it. Your on-screen keyboard is now enabled. Alternative method. You can also open the on-screen keyboard using a shortcut. Simply press the Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus O together. That's it. Now you know how to use the on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.